What's up everybody, today I'm going to change my headlight bulb because I have LED here and I think I'm bothering the other cars in the road, and I'm going to put halogen bulbs, white halogen bulbs, and like the OEM ones. These are the OEM, this halogen bulb, and I'm gonna show you also how look the LED that I have, and we are going to compare the three of them to see the difference. And yes, I can't adjust this LED because they are they have the tail a little bit big. I'm gonna show you. So yes, I'm going to change that and I'm going to show you. So I'm going to go in here, behind here you can see the cable of the LED, and here's the tail of the LED. As you can see, this rubber right here, yes, we are going to take out that. You can see the tail, this part right here of the LED is a little bit big, so I can't adjust them because it's very tight in there. So just first of all, I'm going to take out this connection, and then I'm going to take out the LED bulb, and it's the same for the both sides of the car. So you can see the LED right here, it's sideways, and I think that's because I'm bothering other people on the road. So yes, now I'm going to change that. Okay, I just take out the rubber of the LED, and here's are the difference. This is the OEM one. This is a yellow light. This it's a white light. Here's the difference, and here is the LED, and the three of them. You can see the difference. Now I'm going to put the white ones. So there is one more thing to take off, is the LED adapter. We just need to press this clip and it will come out. And here's the LED with the adapter. Now I'm going to install these ones. So it was difficult for me to show you, sorry for that, but here is the LED. Diego, sorry, here's the white halogen bulb. Here, as you can see, now is the lamp got this blue effect. So yes, here's the bulb, and now I'm just going to put the rubber in here and connect everything. So I already connect everything, and you can see right here. Here's the blue bulb, and here I have the LED right in there. Now I'm going to show you how the difference of these two lights, and then we are going to compare the LEDs with the halogen, yellow halogen, and then compare it to the both of this lamp with the halogen blue bulb. So you can see the LED right here, and here's the halogen bulb. It's a little bit yellower, but not too much. So yes, and I have this bulb installed in the same way that you did in this one. So just now I'm going to turn on the lights. So here are the new bulbs. You can see it's a little bit yellower than the LEDs, but we are going to see the difference between these ones and the normal ones, the yellow ones, OEM.
In this clip, both of the lamps are with LEDs, with LEDs, and we can see how they light the wall. And in this clip we can see the comparison between the LEDs and the normal OEM bulb.
And that's it for the video. I hope you liked the video. I hope it was helpful for you. Like, subscribe, share, comment, and see you on the next video.